everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget subscribe. Before I start talking, subscribe and like the video. If you're not new here, welcome back home. I see you. Today I will teach you how to apply this lashes. These are magnificent lashes right here. Hopefully I'll have time to do another video teaching how to clean the lashes, because I have one uploaded but it's in Portuguese, so the one that I'm gonna upload today will be in English for my English speaking homies. Okay, so stay tuned. And I am back to show you how to apply your false lashes. A disclaimer, I'm not a makeup guru. I am not a makeup makeup artist or makeup professional. This is a tutorial showing you how I apply my false lashes, and I use false lashes like almost every day that I use makeup, and that's almost between 5 to 6 times a week. So what you will need is a small mirror, okay, your lash glue. I use the KIKO lash glue, like this is the best glue, and I've used Duo, I've used Revlon. I didn't like those brands. This one is awesome. And I use a little tweezer. This tweezer is a tweezer for beginners, and I bought these tweezers. These are tweezers from my brand. I sell lashes. Yes, you can buy them with me. Oh, I already said that. Okay. These are for my brands, but you can get these like almost anywhere. They're really popular. So these are the 3 essentials you have to apply your lashes. Now, before we start, there are some new lashes coming out recently, that came out recently. They're called magnetic lashes, where instead of glue you just apply your eyeliner, your magnetic eyeliner, and then you put on your lashes and that's it. However, they are not very popular at the moment. I think so. I don't see a lot of people using it, and I don't know if it can actually damage your eye or not. I don't think so. I think they're just okay to use. I am going to try the magnetic lashes next month. I don't have them yet. I need to buy them. I need to buy them, and I need to sort that out. But in the meantime, we use the old-fashioned glue. So let's get started. I'm going to apply my Jessica lashes from Lashful Beauty, my brand. You know, it's always good for you to buy quality lashes, and I'm not just saying this because I sell lashes, because even for, you know, when you go to apply your lashes, if you buy those cheap pharmacy lashes, they are too hard to bend. They're very hard because that's really plastic. I think it's like 90% plastic. So I advise you to spend a little extra $10 and buy quality lashes that you're gonna use 20 times or more, that you're gonna be able to wash them, that you're gonna be able to bend them, you know, in order to shape your eye better, instead of buying $2 lashes that you're just gonna use once and it's gonna be and feel heavy on your eye. Okay, so buy quality lashes, girls. So what I'm going to do first is, let me just leave this stuff that I have. I am gonna grab the lash. I think you can see it. Well, it's not very clean, but So I'm gonna just grab the lash with my tweezer. Let me just put it on the center, put the tweezer. You see how I did that? I put the tweezer on the center of the lash. Okay, so I am going to take the glue and apply in the inside area. I call it the skirt of the lash. I don't know the proper name in English, but I just call it the skirt of the lash. Okay. Okay. There you go. This is the lash. I think you can see. I applied the glue there in the inside part. Don't worry, these lashes, I wore these lashes like yesterday, so they're not very clean, but okay. I'm gonna give you guys a very, very valuable tip. I've seen a lot of videos teaching how to apply lashes, and a lot of girls, they do this to dry the glue on the lashes. That's not it's not good. Don't do that, because you don't know what kind of germs, you know, your lashes are gonna get or anything. Like, yeah, just don't blow your lashes. Just do this to dry them up. Obviously, I sound a little bit you know, because my lashes aren't 100% clean, because I already used them yesterday, but you get what I'm saying, okay? You get what I'm saying. I used them to do a video here at home. I didn't go out or anything like that. So I'm gonna leave the glue aside, and I'm going to take my little mirror and I'm going to apply the lashes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sorry, I don't know why today I'm overly happy. So what I'm going to do is I have the tweezer in the center of the lash, right? Now I am going to put the lash, you know what you see what I'm doing? I'm doing this. I'm going to put the lash, let me get closer, right in the middle. Oh, I'm blocking you guys. Maybe not now. Right in the middle of my eye. I set it in the middle, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bend it to glue the external corner, and then I'm going to glue it on the internal corner, and then I'm going to take my tweezers and squeeze the false lashes and my own lashes like this, like this, like this, and voila. I think I put too much glue in these lashes in particular, but it's okay, because whenever it dries, it's gonna be fine, almighty. See? Voila, it's done. Less than 5 minutes. Now, some of the girls that like buy lashes from me and ask questions about them, most of them actually, they ask like, oh, they say, this is my first time applying the lashes. I don't know how to apply the lashes. Can you explain me where do I set the lash before, do I set it on top, like do I set the glue part on top of my own lashes? No. Where do you set, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but you set it right here. You set it in your skin. You don't put the glue part in your own lashes, because then when you take your lashes off, the false lashes off, you might rip your own lashes. So never put the glue part of the false lashes on top of your own lashes. You put it literally on the skin part here. You see? Here. Okay? So when you take them off, they come off without any stress, and they don't hurt you, and yeah, you barely feel them. Okay? So let's go and put this one, and be done with the video. Tell me on the comments below if you like this video, if you want more videos like this on how I do things and some hacks that I have. If you want those type of videos, and I'll do it. I already have a big list of things to post here for you guys, like beauty things. As I said, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not a makeup artist, but there's one or two things that I know and that I do in a certain way that maybe you don't know, and I can share here with you guys. So let's get it. I'm gonna apply the glue like I said before. Na 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 na. No. And you know, your first time is natural for you to have like to put the lashes a little bit on top and have a little gap and, you know, screw it up a little bit. It's normal. What I want to say is, like, the more you do it, the better you become at it. And I'm not saying like you have to do 10 times to become good at it. No, at least 3 times. Even if you put the lashes like on the same day, at least 3 times, you'll be good at it. Or you'll get the hang out of it, because it's not that difficult. It's just, I think the most difficult part is like we're scared because we're dealing with our eyes, and we don't want to hurt ourselves, or, you know, we don't want to screw it up. And also, you know, you put the lashes. The lashes is one of the last things that you put when you're putting makeup. So after putting all the makeup, you don't want to screw it up. So yeah, I get it. And I also had that issue, but I promise you guys, you just need to practice like 1 or 2 times, and then you'll be good at it. You'll be good. Let me get my mirror. The small mirror is better instead of your wall mirror, because you can just, you know, you can just maneuver the small mirror like that, and it helps you because you have to look at the mirror and put the eyelashes while looking at the mirror, and you don't want to be looking like that and, you know, doing this. You want to look down at the mirror and then putting the lashes. That's why I recommend to use this small mirror. Not this in particular, but sorry, a small mirror. Okay, let's get it. Okay, this time I don't know if you can see, but I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm putting it right in the middle again, and then adjusting the corner. Oh my god. Wait, I'm bad with my left hand. I'm adjusting this corner, and then I'm adjusting the inside corner, and then I'm squeezing, and squeezing. Et voila, it's done. You see how easy that was? Guys, did you see how easy that was? Easy peasy. And then here, voila, here you go. Follow me on Instagram. I taught you. I taught you. It's taught you, nah? Guys, my English is not it's not my native language, but I took time to make this small, nice video for you guys to learn how to put lashes in an easy peasy way. Follow me on Instagram, okay? Subscribe to my channel, okay? And we're here every single Monday to teach you one more thing, or to show you one more thing, or to share one more thing with you. Hey.